In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up a VPN on Apollo TV. For this example, we'll be using an Amazon Fire Stick to run the Apollo TV app and NordVPN. Keep in mind that first-generation Amazon Fire Sticks don't support VPN connections, so you'll need a compatible Fire TV device. Before we begin, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, secure, and one of the easiest ways to protect your entire network and unlock streaming content. To get started, open the Find section on your Fire TV home screen and select Search. Type in NordVPN in the search bar and choose the suggested result. Then tap on the NordVPN app under the Apps and Games section and click Download. Once the application has been installed, choose Open to launch it. In the main menu of NordVPN, you can either sign up to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If you select Log In, a QR code will appear on your TV screen. Scan it with your smartphone and follow the instructions to complete the login process through the Nord account page. After logging in, you'll receive a number to enter on your computer or mobile device, which finalizes the connection. Once logged in, you can click Connect Now, and the app will automatically choose the fastest available server for you. While connecting, you may see a few default warning messages. Just press OK and confirm any necessary checkboxes. Alternatively, you can manually choose a server in your desired country from the All Countries menu. NordVPN also offers specialty servers, which are optimized for specific purposes like streaming or extra security. In the Settings menu, you can enable features such as CyberSec to block ads and malware. Select a VPN protocol, allow local network discovery, or configure custom DNS. There's also a Trusted App section, where you can add certain apps to bypass the VPN connection, a feature known as split tunneling, giving you flexibility while keeping your connection secure. Once everything is set up, your Fire Stick running Apollo TV will have fully encrypted traffic, access to geo-restricted content, and protection from trackers or potential cyber threats. For the fastest speeds, strong security, and reliable privacy while streaming or browsing, NordVPN is a great choice. You can grab NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description and enjoy secure, private access across all your devices.